Okay. Yeah. Hi everybody. It is that time of the year again when the old year is on its way out and the new one is waiting in the wings, or actually has entered, because I'm late in conveying my wishes to all of you. But I'm sure all of you will agree 2020 has been the worst of years for everybody. And in these awful times, for most, it is difficult to find a ray of hope or positivity. But I have a way of looking at bad days, difficult times, awful years. I believe when one is at the lowest, at the most bottomest of their life, the good thing is that from here on, there's only one way to move. That is upwards, higher, to better places. So 2020, whatever it has been, is in the past now. And I believe 2021 is going to be bigger, better, brighter, and more beautiful for all of us, inshallah. It's a longish video. Should I put some music? Yeah. But 2020 has taught us one thing. That real fun is with real people. Your families, your friends, your loved ones, and all the friends and enemies you make virtually. Taking sides or fighting against online is good fun. Time pass, but it's not for keeps. So, here's wishing you all in 2021 lots of happiness and joy and peace. Am I sounding like a cheap greeting card? So let me add lots of tax paid cash too, so that your dreams and your bills are fulfilled. Some cheesy party effects. Yeah. Good. And before I sign off, here's a personal request to whoever is watching. Please, for God's sake, don't send me messages which say, hey, here's wishing you 1 year of happiness and 52 weeks of peace and 365 days of joy and 8,760 minutes of loveliness and I don't know how many lakh seconds of so-and-so, and then, it all means the same thing. Just send me a wish you a happy new year message, please. It's, this year be romantic, be emphatic, be pragmatic, be democratic, be absolutely fantastic. Just don't be mathematic. It's very boring, and also it's a very difficult word to rhyme with other words. So all of you, go forth and have fun, party hard, but in moderation. Don't get too drunk, don't take off your clothes and run on the streets, because chances are you will get arrested. And even worse than that, you will wake up in the morning and find out you've lost your phone, and that really sucks. So here's wishing you all lots of love. And sorry, this video is a little delayed. My team's not here, so I've done this on my own. So any screw-ups, please excuse me, and see you all on the big screen in 2021. Lots of love. Did it without any help.